This slide I copied from LinkedIn, and it's very fresh, very recent, yesterday. Now what it's showing, you can see that I'm searching jobs in this slide, and I'm searching for finance business partner role worldwide. So that was my search. And you could see that there are 10,619 roles worldwide under the name of finance business partner or related. Interesting, huh? And there are several search criteria. Another interesting criteria is experience level. So for all these roles, there are jobs available at the very early stage level, as well as associate mid-level and the senior level, like director and executive level. So as I tried to explain earlier, that in this role, the position may vary at different level of seniority. You could have at a junior level, you could have the mid-level, you can have it at a senior level. Look at the locations. There are 4,556 jobs in USA, 2,463 in UK, and so on. So it's available everywhere. That tells you that how much demand or how much acceptability of this concept is among the business. Look at some of the top companies. Amazon has 135 roles for this job, finance business partners. Maybe not exactly the title, but related jobs. That tells you that there are a lot of jobs and it's only going to grow. But what does it mean? It's easier for you to get these jobs? Or you think that all these employers sitting behind these jobs they have posted, they are waiting for you to apply? No, unfortunately. So let me tell you the truth, what is happening in the job market. Employers are ahead because, as I said, that these technology companies or even the other employers are very rich. They are resourceful and they really have to be ahead of the curve to make money, to keep their business successful. So when we learn as individuals something, the companies already know that. The companies like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, they already know. So in terms of the caliber of the potential candidates, they are ahead. Ahead means that they want to hire the best people. Now there are a lot of candidates available, a lot of job seekers are available in the market. With these thousands of jobs posted on LinkedIn, they should immediately get employment. And I know, and other people know, that even in today's market where the employment rates are very high, it's very difficult to get a good job. Especially on LinkedIn, many people believe that LinkedIn is fake. You cannot get a job on LinkedIn. Many people believe that. Now, reality is that these jobs may not be fake, but the criteria from the employer is very stringent. They are not willing to hire an average candidate. So they know what is happening, what change is happening in the business world and the technology, and they really want to hire the best of the best.